Luisians, freshmen, transferees, and senior students. Welcome to the start of another exciting academic year at the University of St. Louis Tuguegarao. We are all excited to welcome you for school year 2025-2026, and we are also thrilled to have you as part of our vibrant Luisian community. At the University of St. Louis Tuguegarao, we place your academic success at the center of our mission. We are committed to providing you with world-class academic programs, student-focused services, and cutting-edge learning experiences that prepare you not only for graduation, but for life. This includes opportunities for professional exposure abroad, where you can gain global perspectives, develop cross-cultural competencies, and experience the world as part of your academic and career journey. However, dear students, success is a shared endeavor. While the university will do its part to provide you the excellent and quality academic programs, it also requires your dedication, your discipline, and your drive. We encourage you to take ownership of your learning, embrace challenges, and strive for excellence in everything you do. Beyond academics, college is a time to explore your passions and build lasting memories. We invite you to get involved, join student organizations, participate in the Center for Culture and the Arts, and represent USLT through sports varsity teams, and engage in other extracurricular activities that will enrich your university experience and help you grow as a leader and a change maker. As you journey through this academic year, let the core values of the University of St. Louis Tuguegarao guide you. First, Christian living. Live with faith, compassion, and integrity in all that you do. Second, on academic excellence. Pursue knowledge with discipline, curiosity, and a commitment to lifelong learning. Third, on professional responsibility. Uphold ethical standards and accountability in your chosen field. Fourth, on social awareness and involvement. Be conscious of societal issues and take part in meaningful change. Last but not the least, on innovation, agility, and creativity. Embrace new ideas, adapt to challenges, and think beyond boundaries. Together, let us all build a culture of excellence, compassion, and purpose. May this school year be filled with growth, achievement, and also unforgettable memories. Welcome home, Luisians, and let's make 2025-2026 a year to remember.